Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fantastic. To returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and for your support. You're the reason why I keep on doing this. To the people who are watching me for the first time, my name is Sandra and welcome to Sandy's World. So guys, today it's actually 1st of February and considering like how busy I know I'm going to be, I decided like today let me just do like deep cleaning. I start like the month in a clean space and I've actually just come back from our morning walk with Stormy. It's at, guys give me 1 second. It's actually at 8:35. I don't know. Yeah, you cannot be able to see, but it's at 8:35 and right now I want to see if I can manage to do everything with like 2 hours. I'm at 3 hours. 3 hours tops. Like I do laundry, I wash the house, like literally I have to wash every spot of this house and then take breakfast and call it a morning. So I don't know, actually no, I don't even have an idea where I'm going to start, but right now I just want to soak the clothes first and then after I finish soaking the clothes I wash all the bathrooms and everything else, like my bedroom. I'm not washing the guest bedroom because no one sleeps there and I rarely go in there, so that is clean, like that is clean, so we are not washing that one. So we're only going to wash my bedroom, my bathroom, the guest what bathroom, because that's where normally Storms go to pee and everything, so we have to wash it, and then the sitting room and kitchen, and I call it a day. Plus I also have like today it's that day like where you have to wash everything from bed sheets, towels and everything else. He's so hyper. Yeah, so guys, let's do this and see how long we're going to take to finish up everything, because I have some AliExpress stuffs I need to pick, and considering today's on Tuesday, on Saturday, that is they normally close at 12, so we have to finish up everything, and by 11 I am done. I go pick all those Stormy stuffs and then yeah, we call it a day. We just get to spend the day indoor relaxing and yeah. So guys, I want to make my bed. Those are the bed sheets that needs washing, and yeah, that's my bed. So I have to like put a clean bed sheet, make sure like I'm done making the bed and everything else, and yeah, let's see how this is going to turn out. Guys, that is work done. That's how my bed is looking. Yep, so I have to like draw the curtains and everything. Look at this boy. Guys, look at Storm's work. This is what he do when I leave him alone in this bedroom. He looks for stuff, he starts eating them. Look. But it's life. I still love him though, right? And look at him. He's literally lying on my bed waiting for belly rubs. See? He's crazy. Actually guys, I don't have a lot of clothes that need washing, only this and the bed sheets. So I'm going to soak all these clothes here after, what is it called? After soaking them, I go wash the bedroom. Yeah, I wash like the bedroom, the bathrooms, and then I come finish up with the clothes and everything. So I'm gonna soak these ones. Yeah. Guys, the toilet is sparkling clean. The sink is already clean. So the only remaining part is this part, which I'm gonna wash like right now. Yeah. Yep guys, so this is clean. And I'm so tired. Jeez, I'm so tired. Look at him, he follows me everywhere I go. So my bedroom and my bathroom are clean. Yeah, so let's go to the guest toilet and then we wash this hallway. And then yeah, after the hallway, we go do laundry. So guys, this is also done. Just look. Yep, that's clean. So now I have to wash this part, and then up to that point, look at him. He follows me everywhere up to this point, and then that's when I'm going to pause with that part cleaning. Yeah, so guys, I'm actually done with the bedroom. So I'm going to clean all this. Like, I want to wipe my carpet and wipe the chairs, both of them, and yeah, put everything where it's supposed to be. And then after I'm done doing all this, look at him. After I'm done doing all that, then I can now start doing laundry. Yeah, this is what it means to be a woman. Guys, I'm actually done doing laundry. I only waiting for these clothes to soak in the softener. And then as I wait, I'm gonna wash the house now, literally. Guys, and I'm so tired. I was charging my phone. My house is dirty. Everything is just like all over the place. Just look. Yeah. I also need to clean this area, pour that food away, and then I have to wash the balcony, which is dirty by the way. Yeah, and then after that, I need to hang clothes, and then I shower, and I call it a day. Yeah, so let's do this. Hi guys, so I'm actually finished. Everything is where it's supposed to be, except my laptop, because I'll be using it. Yeah, so I want to prepare breakfast for him. He's so hyper, I don't know why. Yeah guys, so I'm actually done. Literally, I'm done. I've hung the clothes. Kitchen is clean. Laundry area is clean. Actually, me and Storm, we are the only people who are dirty in this house. Guys, we are literally the only people who are dirty in this house. Yeah, so guys, that is it for right now. Storm's milk is warming, so I want to give him his milk because I started like work. I've been running up and down all morning, and I'm all sweaty. I'm literally wet. So guys, this is where I'm going to say my goodbyes. Make sure you like, you share, and subscribe. Comment down below and tell me if you're doing a deep cleaning, what do you normally do? Because that's, for me, that's what my deep cleaning entails. But on the days that I'm like working and everything else, I normally do like just like light cleaning, and then like I have to wait until like I have a day off. I know most of you are wondering like, why not bring someone to do the cleaning for you? I literally have no one in my mind who can come and do that for me. Yeah, so guys, that is how I spend my Saturdays morning. Make sure you like, you share, and subscribe to this video. Let me see you in the next video. Right now I'm gonna shower, and then I have to leave. I have to go to Posta, pick the AliExpress stuffs for Storm. Let me see you in the next video where I'm doing, like I'm showing what I bought for him at at AliExpress. Say bye bye baby. Say bye. Say bye. Aww. Who's the cutest baby ever? So guys, yeah, make sure you like, you share, and subscribe to this video. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be informed when I post a new video. Bye guys.